The hottest attic, ooh, that's a tough one. I mean, I do wear hoodies all throughout the summer. But I went to this one attic, it made me get out my hoodie, and I'm gonna say it was probably at least about 140. Yeah, it was probably about 140 in that attic. But yeah, it made me come out my hoodie, so I know it was hot.
About 136 degrees.
Not completely positive, but if I had to guess, I would say it had to be about 120, maybe 125 even. That's not sure, but hot, really hot.
Hottest attic. Ooh, that's a good one. Probably anywhere from 125 to 140. It's been a fun summer. Glad it's kind of cooled off a little bit, definitely.